So what do you see as some of the biggest opportunities for credit unions in the payment space?
Well, I think the biggest opportunity is related to the biggest challenge that they face on that side. And we're all well aware of innovation happening outside the credit union ecosystem with point solutions, whether it's on the P2P side or the account-to-account side on that. And if the credit unions themselves or the industry in general need to address that. Okay, so that challenge, the gauntlet has been thrown down on that. So that's the challenge, and I think it's also an opportunity to them. I mean, members of credit unions or consumers in general, they want to move money from A to B. They don't care how it gets there. They just want to do it. So in my metaphor here, the A is the credit union, and B could be a person, could be a biller, could be another account that they have, whatever the case may be. So what we see as the opportunity for credit unions is rather than their members going outside the space and using individual point solutions to do certain aspects of their money movement, have it all under one roof, have it all in one place, so that the member can see their entire movement of money going both sides. So that's kind of the vision as we are and how we started. So our platform, when we designed it, was built as really a fundamental money movement platform, where on it today there is your bill payment. You're paying your bills online, which is been around for 20 years and doing it. The account-to-account transfers and the person-to-person payments, all on one platform. And what that allows for is a unified, simplified user experience. So that's the key element we see as credit unions not getting disintermediated by this fintech providers, providing that solution, and then leveraging the aspect of consumers want to see the money movement relative to close to where their money is, so they can see it coming out of their account, and they prefer to do it with a trusted institution. You know, I think you hear a lot about the very young things they don't concern themselves with. I'm talking about the 20-year-olds. The young millennials, I guess is the way I would put it, because millennials are a wide range on that. But the ones in that 18 to 22 range, don't have the appreciation yet for the trust that credit unions have earned over time, and they will. I mean, they're going to learn the importance of what the credit unions and all say. So they're more comfortable maybe using those point solutions, but we're confident over time they're going to want two things. They're going to want to move their money in one place, and they're going to realize that there's the benefit for working with a trusted institution.
How might your platform evolve in the coming months and years?
Well, I think the platform, as I just laid out on the prior question, what we're doing, we're augmenting on it is, one important thing is adding bill management. Okay, so we have bill presentment on the platform, and that's been around for 15 years or whatever the case may be, and it's got reasonably decent adoption by the user, but it was supposed to be the killer app when it came out in 04 or 05, whatever the time frame was, and it never saw that pickup that we all had hoped in the industry, and I was one of those guys hoping it happened. What we have found is there's just not enough utility in bill presentment on this. You only get part of your bills there, go on to manage part of my bills here, and the other ones that are on my desk at home when they're paper or what may be. So what we are building out and working with a partner on this is a whole bill management function. So a member will have all their bills in one place and can pay their bills all in one place on that side. So it takes that bill presentment to the next level, where you're seeing all of your bills in one place. And then we've taken almost like that PFM concept of presenting it in a very informative way to the member. So they'll have much more incentive now to manage and manage their bills within the credit union's digital banking application.